Mark Golding steps up with flood relief for his people. When the rain falls, you see who really cares. And this time, Mark Golding showed up strong for his people. Over the last few days, sections of the island have been battered by heavy rainfall, and many Jamaicans are struggling to stay afloat. Instead of waiting around, Mark Golding and his team jumped into action, purchasing much-needed relief goods from Sampars and getting them ready for distribution right across his constituency. Now, this initiative comes out of a $1.5 million emergency fund that was recently approved for food and relief assistance, a plan that, according to Golding, he himself had recommended to the Prime Minister before their meeting. Right now, his volunteers are busy sorting and packaging supplies, proving that leadership is not about titles, it's about timing and compassion. He's also sending out a strong reminder to Jamaicans living in low-lying communities. Don't wait until the river rises to move. Head to a shelter early and keep yourself and your loved ones safe, because flash floods give no warning. Respect to Mark Golding for staying close to the ground and keeping his people first, while others still talking, the man already working. Stay safe, Jamaica, and don't forget, this is Michy Dex Commentary, bringing the truth with heart and purpose. Like, share, and subscribe for more Real Talk stories.